Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve this seemingly difficult problem from a Maths Olympiad test. Alright, let's have a quick look at the question. If A, B, C, D are positive integers with a sum of 63, what is the maximum value of AB plus BC plus CD? Alright, let's break the question down. We have four variables here. A, B, C and D. They are all positive integers, which basically means they are numbers greater than 0. They are the counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now those four numbers have to add up to 63. And in doing that, you have to try and find the maximum value of A times B plus B times C plus C times D. Alright, now you want to focus on maximum. Alright, so you should look at this bottom equation first, I think, AB plus BC plus CD, and notice that B and C are the important variables because they are multiplied by each other. Alright, so they're going to have to be bigger than A and D. Alright, in finding out what these four values are. Right, this BC one will have to take up the bulk of the sum. Right, so in identifying that, the thing I would start off with first would be making A and D as small as possible. So let's make A equal 1 and let's make D equal 1. What does that leave us with for B and C? 63, take away 1 plus 1, leaves us with 61. So that means that B and C, I'll just put B plus C equals 61. Alright, now you could go through a range of variables for that, alright, but remembering we're trying to find the maximum value here when we're multiplying B times C. So if you were to just try random groups, if you were to make B equal 1, C equal 60, what's 1 times 60? 60. Alright, let's change that. Let's make B 2, C 59. What does that multiply to? 118. Alright, we'll make B 3, C 58. What does that multiply to? 174. That's just repeated addition. 58, 116, 174. Alright, I could keep going on like this. 4 times 57, that's 228. Just double 57 twice. 57, 114, 228. But you should be starting to see a pattern. The multiple will go up as you get more to the middle. Alright, so to actually get the highest multiple, you would want to multiply 30.5 times 30.5. Now for the sake of this question, I don't think we're doing fractions or decimals. So instead of doing 30.5, let's go with 30 and 31. Because they add to 61. And that will be the maximum multiple of B and C, with the two adding up to 61, apart from 30.5, obviously, which we're not including. So 30 times 31, can you do 3 times 31? 31, 62, 93. So 30 times 31 is 930. So BC equals 930 in that case. Right, what would AB equal with these variables? 1 times 30. So AB equals 30. And what would CD equal? 31 times 1, 31. So it doesn't matter if you make B 30 or 31 or C 30 or 31, as long as one of them is 30 and one of them is 31. Alright, so you add those together at the end here. So we go AB plus BC plus CD. What does it equal? The maximum value, 31 plus 30, 61 plus 930, 991. And that is in fact the correct answer. All right, so in answering this question, you've had to identify a lot of things quite quickly. You have to identify you want the maximum here, that BC is the important component where you want most of the number to be coming from. All right, and so in identifying that, you want A and D to be low as they possibly can. And because the question says doesn't say anything about it not being all right to repeat integers, you would make them both 1, which is the lowest possible value there.